We are the Birdmen.
Well, this is my first time hunting with my dad on camera, and it was way different. I've never seen my dad at work with the show, and there's a lot more guys than I usually hunt with.
Getting in this pit blind, we got 16 foot. They come in, they dig these things out with excavators. There's a lot of work involved in these. They set them down, we're level with the ground, no layout blinds, no humps in the field. We're still on an edge, but you know, we're completely invisible. It should work out pretty good.
This should be a great hunt today. These pit blinds make it really easy to get the birds in tight, easy to hide a lot of people. Get him.
As soon as the weather warms just a little, these ducks turn off of the corn that we've been targeting them in, and they start eating invertebrates. But one of the things you'll notice is we've got a bare field, so it's gonna make it real difficult to hide the camera guys. We were gonna decorate this whole levee here with brush, and it's just not happening. Everything's blowing away.
Hen mallard call is really effective, but sometimes later in the season you need something to change it up just a little bit, and that Drake whistle can finish them off that last 10 yards.
The last group of the day, we had one greenhead, 10 yards, backpedaling, the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. I'm gonna let my buddy Dale go ahead and shoot it because it's right in front of him. And he's struggling a little bit getting out of his blind, so I go ahead and pull the trigger because I don't want him to get away, and look what happens. We got a band, and he's a little upset with me right now.
Tradition. Camaraderie. Passion. This is what drives us. We are the Birdmen.